Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the apps section. Now we have to tap on see all 34 apps, of course 34 in my case, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see here, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.